How to get Sculk Sensor in Minecraft. So first what you'll need to do is go to the deep dark or the ancient city, and if you want to find it you can use the commands just like locate, then structure, then just type in city and it will show up the ancient city right there. Click on enter and it will give you the coordinates. What you want to do is just click on the coordinates or just type in this command /tp at s, then the coordinates given, then click on answer and you will be automatically teleported to the city. Now once that's done, you will just need to find some Sculk sensors right here. And what you need to do is get a pickaxe with the silk touch enchantment and just simply mine the Sculk sensor just like that. And now you will have the Sculk sensor. And that's how you basically get the Sculk sensor in Minecraft.